Welcome to Focus Mind.
Hi, I'm George Lizas, and in this video I'll teach you a proven way you can use to increase the speed by which you manifest something so that eventually you can experience instant manifestation. In fact, one of my students have used the process I'm about to teach you to manifest $3,000 fast when she most needed it. And I'm really excited to help you achieve similar results, not just with money, but with every area of your life. Now, I'm not sure why you chose to watch this video, but I bet I can guess. Maybe you're ready to live a prosperous life. You're struggling financially and would like to use the law of attraction to manifest more money. Maybe you're here because you're a law of attraction junkie. You've seen The Secret and read countless books on manifestation. You know the possibility of manifesting your desires instantly, and you want to learn how to do that. Maybe you've tried countless manifestation processes promising to help you manifest your desires faster, but neither of them has worked the way you expected them to. Maybe you're here because you're tired of struggling in life and would like to learn how to consistently attract abundance of all forms. I want to preface this by affirming that life isn't supposed to be a struggle. Abundance of all forms is rightfully yours. You were born an instant manifester. You've just forgotten how to do it. So let me remind you how. Instant manifestation is when you desire something and then you instantly have it in your life. Doing so is 100% possible. I've done it. Many of my students have done it, but it takes some time to get yourself there. The process I'm about to teach you has to do with gradually increasing your manifestation speed until you eventually reach a level when manifestation occurs instantly. Just like you, I've been a law of attraction junkie. I read the books and was excited by the prospect of creating my life consciously. I practiced countless manifestation processes promising to help me manifest my desires faster and more effectively. And although I got some results, I knew I was missing something. I was missing the secret behind the secret. That's when I became obsessed with mastering manifestation and ventured into a 5-year spiritual exploration looking for answers. What I discovered was profound. I discovered that there is a correlation between our vibrational frequency and the speed of manifesting something. The higher my vibrational frequency in relation to a specific desire, the faster I was able to manifest it. Here's how that works. Everything manifests in vibrational form first, and then it's translated into physical reality. As soon as you ask for something, Source gives it to you and stores it in your very own vibrational safe. To unlock that safe, you need to vibrate and therefore feel at the frequency of already having the desire in your possession. The higher your vibrational frequency, the faster you're able to manifest something. But here's the catch. Raising your vibrational frequency in relation to a specific desire sounds simple. But hey, if it were that simple, we'd all be running around with yachts and private planes. There are 2 keys to practicing instant manifestation. The first one is having a proven strategy to increasing your vibrational frequency in relation to a specific desire. The second one is knowing which manifestation process to use at each manifestation frequency. This is what most manifestation books miss. Different manifestation processes work for different frequency levels. For example, if you try to visualize yourself living a fulfilling romantic relationship when you've just broken up with someone, then you'll feel like you're mocking yourself. Visualization isn't the right process to use at that vibrational frequency. It was only when I mastered these 2 keys that I was able to experience instant manifestation. And I mean this quite literally. I desire something and then boom, there it was in my life. But results speak louder than words. Here's one of my students, Marisa, who used some of the techniques I taught her to manifest $3,000 when she most needed it. She was struggling financially and really needed the money. And here's my student Jessica, who achieved something similar. Jessica sent me this text the day after I'd asked her to do one of the instant manifestation processes I'll tell you about in a bit. And she got 500 pounds instantly. You can experience the same results and manifest your desires faster in every area of your life. Luckily for you, you don't have to go through all the trial and error that I had to go through, because I would have given anything for someone to tell me, let's just skip through all the struggle and let's get you through something that actually works. And so I reverse engineered my process and came up with a course in instant manifestation, a self-study program guiding you through the exact process that I went through to gradually increase my manifestation speed and practice instant manifestation. But before I share the details with you, I want you to imagine how it would feel like if you desired something today and then waking up the following morning, if not sooner, realizing it's already yours. How would it feel no longer struggling to make by and feeling safe and secure that you're being taken care of? How would it feel like if you no longer needed yet another manifestation book or resource because you finally knew how to make the law of attraction work for you? How would it feel like if you had a proven formula and set of tools to gradually increase your manifestation speed and keep doing so? These are just a few of the results you can expect to receive from a course in instant manifestation. And here's what you get by investing in a course in instant manifestation. You'll get the Instant Manifestation System workbook, 3 powerful 20 to 30 minutes meditation journeys, personal email support and guidance from me, 40 pages of tools, techniques, and processes, 100% online, and lifetime access. And here's what you'll create in this 4-module self-study program. The first part is the premise behind instant manifestation. You'll learn the science behind instant manifestation. You're gonna get to test your current manifestation speed and experience instant manifestation right away by manifesting a small desire first. The second module is preparing for instant manifestation. In this module, you get to practice my 5 most powerful processes to raise your vibrational frequency, and you'll get a meditation to skyrocket your vibrational frequency and keep doing so. The third module is all about practicing instant manifestation, and in this module, you'll get to choose a specific desire to manifest by the end of the module. You'll get to practice my 4 most effective manifestation processes towards manifesting your chosen desire. You'll also get to do a meditation to manipulate physical matter with your mind and turn your desire from vibration to physical reality. The final module is all about sustaining instant manifestation. You'll get to design your personalized manifestation practice to keep increasing your manifestation speed moving forward. And you'll also get to learn my 3-step plan to sustaining your vibrational frequency and not fall back into old limiting patterns. By the end of the course, you'll have raised your vibrational frequency significantly, filled your manifestational toolkit with law of attraction processes that work, and experienced instant manifestation at least once. And if you click the link in the description below, you can get all the details and get instant access to a course in instant manifestation. And I want to emphasize that a course in instant manifestation is not spiritual entertainment. It will help you to create real changes in your life. This process has been used successfully by hundreds of instant manifestation grads from all around the world. They got the chance to steadily increase their manifestation speed and eventually to experience instant manifestation. I'm really excited to see you experience instant manifestation, Lightworker, because you deserve it. Life isn't supposed to be a struggle. It's meant to be easy. It's meant to flow. Happiness, fulfillment, and abundance are rightfully yours. You just have to know how to tune into them. A Course in Instant Manifestation is a proven, tested, step-by-step formula to help you become the master manifestor you were born to be and to manifest your desires faster. It's time to stop struggling and start thriving. So be sure to check out the details by clicking the link in the description. And if what you read resonates with you, then give yourself the opportunity to experience instant manifestation. Thank you so much for watching, Lightworker. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos like it.